Om, the primordial sound of the universe. But what makes it so powerful? The Vedas say, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was Om. It is the sound from which creation emerged, chanted by sages for thousands of years. Om represents the essence of ultimate reality, Brahman. Om is made of three sounds, A, U, and M, symbolizing creation, preservation, and dissolution. The entire cycle of existence in one sacred syllable. Scientific studies show that chanting Om calms the mind, reduces stress, and synchronizes brain waves. Om is not just a sound, it is energy, vibration, and consciousness itself. Chant Om and feel the universe within you.